Welcome to Fortress Security Store. This tutorial video will walk you through the process of setting up your Fortress SIM card to enable your system to call and text using GSM cell service. Ordinarily, the SIM card comes pre-installed in the panel. If you need to install it, simply make sure the card matches the picture on the panel, then press it in until it clicks. You may need a toothpick or paperclip. Before your system can call and text using cell service, the SIM card will need to be activated. To begin, make sure you have this card that came in your package, as you will need the code that's printed on it. To activate your SIM card, first go to fortresssecurity.store.com. Next, select Account and click Sign In. If you already have a Fortress account, log in now. If you don't have an account, now's the time to create one. Click Create an Account and enter your information. Once you are logged in, select SIM card from the upper right, then click I have a SIM. There are two different styles of SIM card. If your system is new, you probably have a card that looks like the one on the right. To activate this, enter the 6-digit number and/or letter string found under the barcode of your card. You do not need to enter your zip code and area code. These fields only pertain to the older style SIM card. If your SIM card is of the older style, it will have an Act Fast code printed on it, as depicted on the left-hand side of the page. If your SIM card looks like this, enter your Act Fast code and your zip and area codes to activate it. Please open and read the terms and conditions before clicking I agree. Once you press Activate, you will be given the option to learn more or go to your cart. If you have any questions about our service, click to learn more, or if you're ready to check out, click Take me to my cart. In your cart, you may see some prorated charges. These are extra minutes being added to your SIM card to cover you between the date of activation and the next billing date, which is on the 10th of every month. Proceed to checkout when you're ready. If you did not log in before, you will be prompted to do so now. Enter your payment information, then place the order. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. However, the SIM card is not active yet. This process can take a few hours. Once it is active, you will receive a second email containing the SIM card's phone number. Once you receive the SIM card's phone number, your card is ready to call and text. To program in the contact numbers, press the menu button, then press OK on Contacts. Press OK on Add a Contact. From here, you can name the contact, and press OK to save. Scroll down and press OK to enter the desired phone number, and again, press OK to save.
Added successfully.
Below, you can also decide if you want this number to receive calls, texts, or both in the event of an emergency. After saving and backing out, you will have the option to add more contacts, delete all contacts, or edit, delete, or call an existing contact. Select Dialing to place a call from the panel to the selected contact number. There are also a few other settings related to the SIM card that we can edit. To do this, select System from the main menu. Arm Disarm SMS is a feature that allows you to receive text messages from the panel when someone arms or disarms the system. Press OK to select the events you'd like to be notified of. You can also choose to be notified via SMS message of certain low power related events. You can be notified if the panel loses AC power, regains AC power, the panel's backup battery is low, or a sensor's battery is low. Press OK to select the items you would like to be texted about. This concludes our video on the setup of your SIM card. If you have any questions, feel free to browse our programming instructions, FAQs, and other videos, or use the Contact Us tab at fortresssecuritystore.com to get in touch.